Hey guys, welcome back to Only Mods. Today we're finally doing the WRC front bumper mod. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is the mod we've all been waiting for. So I've got the bumper right here. Just need to do a little bit of prep work. I just need to sand all the rough spots down. It's been primed already, but I did buy some extra primer just for like these little scratch marks here and there. But yeah, then we're going to paint it white, color matched with the Polo, and see what it looks like. Super keen. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so now that we've primed it, now we're just gonna wait for the paint to dry. It's already touch dry, but yeah, the bottle says about 45 minutes to an hour. We can actually go ahead and sand it again, just get rid of the new rough spots. But yeah, now that we know everything's primed properly, I feel a lot more comfortable with painting it. What do you think, my boy? Like the color? You don't? Okay, yeah, we'll paint it white. Alright guys, on to the painting. So currently I've got this little setup here. I've got a little spray gun, got a little nozzle set up there. Also have this little spray booth that I built in my dad's shed. So this ratio is going to be 2 parts paint, 1 part thinner, 10% hardener. So yeah, let's get this mixed up. Beautiful. Bruh. Alrighty. Go time, baby. Alright guys, so I've got the bumper outside. Man, look how good this looks. Man, I'm so impressed right now. Heck yes, guys, let's go. And then that little run right there. Push that underneath. Other than that, look how smooth this is. Heck yes guys, let's get it installed. Alright guys, so it's been a long day, but bumper's finally painted. I've got all the inserts in, and man, I'm so impressed with how this turned out. Like I honestly thought that the paint was going to look really bad. But yeah, it actually came out really neat. I'm so happy, hey, and like pretty sure color matches nicely. We'll have to see in the sunlight. But yeah, putting all these plastic inserts in, like this bottom panel was super easy, but man, putting this in, it probably took us about an hour and a half just to get all these clips lined up. Man, it's a pain in the bum, but it's doable. It just takes 2 people and a whole lot of patience. And then yeah, these lights, man, honestly, I'm so keen to get this put in, but yeah, the paint's still a bit dry, sorry, a bit soft. So yeah, I'm probably going to leave it off for another day, just to make sure that it cures really nicely before I head on the road, because we live about an hour and a half away from here in the country. And yeah, as you can see, I've got a lot of bugs and stuff on my bumper, and I don't want to chip this, at least not for a week. So yeah, I'm very keen to install that. But yeah, we're probably going to do this video in 2 parts. So part 1 is obviously painting that bumper. Big learning curve. I learned a lot. I'm very happy with how it turned out. But yeah, for part 2, we're going to be installing the bumper and also putting that little black vinyl section on the bottom. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, guys, and please, if you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, please do so. See you on the next one.